To calibrate where the XY transport goes to take a card from the printer, go to Menu, Settings, Service, MCP Commands. To open the Controller Commands page, press Shuttle Home. Select Hopper 1 from the list, then tap To Hopper. Next, press Push to Roller. This will feed a card from Hopper 1 into the Hopper transport. Press Shuttle to Printer. Press XY Home, then press XY to Printer. Press XY to Printer In, then press Unclamp Card. Press Roll to Printer, then press Printer Eject. Finally, press Clamp Card. Check to make sure the card reaches far enough out of the printer so that it sticks out just past the second metal block on the card clamp assembly. Make sure also that the card touches the back of the plastic part of the card clamp all along the line. Finally, make sure the card is pushed far enough toward the front of the device so that it pushes on and raises the metal justifier flag next to the printer exit. Even a small amount is okay. If the card does not fit these conditions, you'll need to adjust the handoff location. Go to Menu, Settings, Edit Config to open the configuration page. Enter the setup passwords, then scroll down in the settings list until you find Printer Handoff Adjustment X. If the card did not push far enough toward the second clamp, you'll decrease the Printer Handoff Adjustment X setting by selecting the number in the list, pressing the C button to clear it, and entering the new number on the on-screen keypad. Then press E. If the card did not make contact with the plastic portion of the clamp or did not press on the justifier and raise it, you'll need to increase the Printer Handoff Adjustment Y setting. When you've finished making your adjustments, press the Save button. If you see the indent ribbon move to the embossing position when the card exits the printer in production mode, that means the card justifier is adjusted correctly. Next, you'll want to calibrate where the XY transport goes to push a card into the exit rollers. Go to Menu, Settings, Service, MCP Commands to open the Controller Commands page. Press XY to Embosser, then press XY to Exit. Check to make sure the XY transport does not bump against the exit transport. Make sure the first green roller on the exit ramp is centered on the card. Make sure the card is pushed into the exit ramp past the point where the first green roller touches it. Pay attention to the top of the card to see if it transfers smoothly into the rear card guide. If the top of the card bounces forward when going into the exit transport, then you'll need to decrease the exit handoff adjustment Y value by 2. Go to Menu, Settings, Edit Config. Enter the setup passwords once again, and scroll down in the list of settings until you find Exit Handoff Adjustment X. If the XY transport bumped into the exit transport, decrease the Exit Handoff Adjustment X setting by selecting the number in the list, pressing the C button to clear it, and entering the new number on the on-screen keypad. Then press E. You want to adjust by about 10 steps at a time. Alternatively, if the card did not push far enough into the exit ramp, increase the Exit Handoff Adjustment X setting by selecting the number in the list, pressing the C button, and entering the new number on the keypad, then pressing E. Finally, if the card is off-center from the green roller and is too close to the front of the EC2000, increase the Exit Handoff Adjustment Y setting by clicking the number in the list, pressing the C button, and entering the new number, then press E. If the card is off-center from the green roller and is too close to the back of the EC, you'll instead want to decrease the Exit Handoff Adjustment Y setting. Once you've made your adjustments, press Save. Next, go to Menu, Settings, Service, MCP Commands. Press Unclamp Card to release the card. Then press the Exit Eject button to eject the card into the card output hopper. Press Status to return to the main status page.